Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how you can get logged in into the online banking account of Suntrust Bank. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open any web browser on your PC as I am using a Microsoft Edge for this. Now go in for new tab and search in for a suntrust.com and press enter. At the official webpage of Suntrust Bank, you can see the sign-in box on right side of your screen. There you need to select online banking or the business online. Here you need to choose the online banking. If you choose or click on business online, then you won't be able to log into your banking account. Then you go in for providing your user ID. Now you go in for providing your password. After you provide both the details, you need to click on sign on where you will get directly logged in into the online banking account of Suntrust Bank. Just in case if you forgot your password or user ID for the online banking of Suntrust Bank, you need to click on the link given below, that is forgot user ID/password. Once you click on it, you will be redirected to the another page where you need to follow the further instruction that has been provided. Then you will be able to have your user ID or password. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how you can get logged in into the online banking account of Suntrust Bank. Thank you.